So in this follow along, I want to show you the AWS Marketplace and the things that you could possibly buy in here. So just looking here on the homepage here, we have a bunch of categories where we can narrow down the thing that we're looking for, or we could choose a vendor if we knew in particular what we want. You can see there's 1,361 vendors, so there's quite a few here. Or if you want to determine your pricing plans or delivery methods, okay? And then you have those popular categories, which is a very easy way to start exploring. Maybe we would be interested in machine learning, so I'll go ahead and click there, okay? And now that we are in machine learning, we can see that we have a variety of different offerings here. So let's say we wanted to do some deep learning with Python 3 and TensorFlow. I'm just going to click into here, and it's going to give you an idea what kind of product we have here. I believe this is an Amazon machine image. I'm just kind of trying to find where it says that. And right down there, so we see that the delivery methods is an Amazon machine image. So it's going to determine what that is. And we have a variety of information here, such as the product overview. It'll do price estimations based on the EC2 instance that you choose. And there could be useful information such as how to actually use this. Okay. So yeah, so if you wanted to do that, I mean, you could create a subscription from here, but generally when you're launching Amazon machine images, you'd want to go ahead and launch that within the EC2 console there. So let's hop our way over there and try to find something in the marketplace, okay? All right, so here I am in my AWS account, and I'm gonna make my way over to EC2. Okay, so a lot of times when you want to use a marketplace resource, generally you're going to launch it within the context of what service you're using. So there are WAF rules that are sold within the marketplace. So when you're using WAF in the WAF console, you can purchase them there. And when it's going to be an AMI, it's going to be via EC2. Okay, so I would just go ahead here and launch an instance. And as soon as I launch an instance here, or get to the option to choose to launch an instance, whenever it decides to load, we are going to be presented with the AMI that we need to choose, okay? All right, so now we can choose our AMI. And on the left-hand side, you're going to see AWS Marketplace. And so this is where it's going to make it easy for us to choose a service there and subscribe to it. So if we wanted that machine learning one, I think it was TensorFlow, okay? So we type TensorFlow there. Not quite exactly the same one, but if we just wanted to launch one here, so here we have Deep Learning AMI, which is an Ubuntu image, and it would have some kind of associated cost here. So I go here and select it, okay? And right away, it's going to show me the pricing here. I don't see any additional costs, probably because this one is an AWS Deep Learning AMI. It probably doesn't have any additional cost, but it does estimate that stuff out there. So maybe we'll go back and actually choose something where I know there will definitely be a cost. Maybe we try launching Guacamole, okay? So Guacamole is a, if you can spell it, is a Bastion. I'll just type in Bastion. That's an easier way to find it. And so here's Guacamole. It gives you a free trial. And here you can see the pricing here. So you see 0.3 cents to 3.52 cents per hour. And so I will just go ahead and select that, okay? And choose that AMI. And it can tell you that it has a free instance. And then you'd hit continue, okay? And then you just launch your instance. So based on this here, I'm restricted to that. So I'll just do a small here. And I'm just going to go ahead and review and launch. Okay, and this is definitely not part of the free tier. So I'm going to definitely want to destroy this immediately after creating it. Okay, but I just want to show you how easy it is to create something from the EC2 marketplace here. Okay, we'll just download that and launch that. All right. And so now I actually have a subscription to that marketplace service, okay? So as that is launching there, it usually doesn't take this long, but today it seems to be a bit slower. I want to show you the actual AWS Marketplace subscription. So when you start accumulating subscriptions, you can go to the AWS Marketplace subscriptions here and see that. Apparently it's not supported in the Canada region, so we'll have to move over to US East. That's not uncommon for AWS because a lot of times with billing and other things. They are only available in the US East region. But here you can see we have guacamole, okay? And it's saying our trial ends in 5 days. And then I have over here a lamp certified by Bitnami, and it has no additional cost. So if you are using a bunch of things from the marketplace and you're trying to keep track of them, this is where you're going to find that information, okay? So, I mean, that's pretty much all you need to know for the AWS Marketplace. And I'm just going to make sure to shut down that instance there, since I do actually not want to do anything with it, okay? But I just wanted to show you how easy it was to start subscribing to a resource there. So I'm just going to go here and quickly shut down that instance there. So if you're following along, you do the same. So I'll just go ahead here and terminate that instance. Okay, and there we go.